Surprise, it's me, Sassysamey or Sam here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome. And for those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today's video, I am going to be doing a haul video of things that I have picked up the last couple of days and weeks. So I'm going to share with you guys what I picked up from the dollar store and then what I also picked up from Five Below, which is one of my favorite stores right now because everything is like $5 and below. So I wanted to just go ahead and pick up some things for my home office that I am building downstairs. So it's pretty excited. I'm pretty excited for it, okay? Let's start off with the things that I got from the dollar store. First thing that I picked up is actually that little thing right there on my wall. I actually put that up today and I really love it. It is so amazing and so pretty, and I was just like, ah! It's like crystal, so I thought it was like perfect. The other thing that I did pick up is this little wall art thing. It says open your heart to new adventures, so I thought it'd be perfect for either here or downstairs where my office is going to be. So I don't know yet where I'm gonna put it, but I figured I picked it up because I really love this thing, so it was really cute. And then I also picked up this little cutie. It is a terrarium, what is it called? Terrarium, you know. It has cactus and stuff in it, so I thought it was really cute, and it was only $1. They have really cute home decor stuff at the dollar store right now, so if you guys are interested, head to your dollar store and pick it up. Especially things like this, if you guys like geometric stuff, and then also like home decor, which I have been in love with home decor stuff because of the new apartment, so I'm just kind of like buying stuff and kind of putting stuff together. So there's that. I also picked up these little veggie storage containers, and then it's really cool because I eat a lot of berries, like blueberries and strawberries, so it's good to have because then you can just take out the insert, wash it, and then put it back in here and store it. So I thought that was really perfect, and I picked up 2 of them. So boom 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 boom. The next thing that I picked up were stickers. They're actually planner stickers because I'm starting to make my own stickers, and then also I wanted to use other ones as like templates and see like what works, what doesn't work, and then create my own or my passion planner that I do have. And I have been obsessed with like planner videos lately, so that's another thing that I thought was really interesting. Next thing I got is a little file folder. This is actually for all my receipts. And Nathan always laughs at me. He's like, why do you keep receipts? And I was just like, just because, I don't know, I like physical copies of stuff. Call me crazy, I don't know. So I picked that up, and it was only $1, so I was like, yeah. I also picked up some pastel baking cups because I love baking. I'm going to be doing like a cooking series and kind of like cook healthy foods. Things that I've been loving and things that has been helping me with my weight loss and also muscle gain. So I also picked up this from the dollar store. It is a spoon rester, so you put your spoon on it. I grabbed that one because I didn't have anything to put my like serving spoons on. And then I also got some hair elastics. They're $1, so there's 500. Hopefully that'll last me like 2 days. And then the last 2 things that I picked up were these really cute stickers. They have llamas on it, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. And then I also got these sticky notes. I love sticky notes and journals. So this one just has a star, a heart, and then a little journal thingy that I'm gonna use later. So that's all that I got from the dollar store. Picked up some stuff from Five Below for my office space because I really wanted to create a space where it inspires me creatively and all of that fun stuff, because I feel like that's one of the things that I want to create, that atmosphere. So I've been slowly buying stuff to put there, and that's why. The first thing that I picked up was this 18-inch wall shelf. It'd be perfect for my office space, so I'm gonna put that there. I'm excited to share with you guys what it actually looks like the office when it's done. Picked up this smaller set. It's 3-piece wall set shelf, and it's gonna be for plants and stuff, and I'm excited to put this up there as well. So I thought that'd be really cute to match with these. It is a watercolor brush pen for painting and calligraphy, because I do want to try out doing calligraphy, because it's always been something that I wanted to do for a real long time, but I've never done it. So I figured I would take you guys on that journey with me, because I have no idea how to do it, but I think it's super cool. So I picked these up. It was $5, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 brushes, and then like a water brush for blending. So I thought it was cool. And I was like, yeah, I want that. And then the last thing that I did pick up from Five Below is this really cute metallic rug that I'm going to put on the floor. And I thought it was really cute in general. So I picked that up, and I'm excited to put that in my office. Boom, boom, boom. And then the last two things that I picked up from Target are this little drawer set. I really wanted something that was clear that I could see through, and then I also picked up a set of these little containers. This whole set, there's a set of 5 of them, so it has the lid and the top, was only like $5.99 at Target. So if you're looking for like shoe boxes and stuff, this is perfect for it. And I have a lot of crafting stuff, so I wanted to figure out a way to organize it without it looking like a whole bunch of mess. So I got this from Target, so I thought it was a really good deal. So that is everything that I picked up from the dollar store and also Five Below and Target for my home office. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys have recently been to the dollar store, what Five Below, let me know in the comments down below what you guys picked up. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I will leave all of my social media links down below, so if you want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, I will leave that down below for you to go ahead and follow. And I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love ya.